Power family.
Hey, what's up, Power family? How you guys doing? Hey, what's up, everybody else? How you guys doing? This is the Power 99 FM here, and today I'm gonna be bringing you a unboxing of a Seagate hard drive, 2 terabytes. I am filming this at 1 in the morning right now, so I am really tired. I'll do the best I can do. This unboxing is really simple, so it shouldn't be too bad. But I'm really tired here. But I'll do the best that I can do. And it looks like I forgot my knife. Ugh. I'll be right back. Alright, so this is... No! It fell down! No! Why? Oh God, I hope it's okay. Shit! Okay, I'm back. I have the knife. Oh man. Okay, so what we're gonna do is this unboxing right now. I think I already unboxed one of these in the past. I think. I can't remember. If I do, then I'll put the previous video inside the end credits when I upload this. If I made one. I'm not sure if I did or not. I can't remember. But this hard drive is a 2 terabyte Seagate. It works on Windows and Mac. It is USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 compatible. And that's pretty much it. Except for the backup storage and all that kind of stuff that says in the box, but that's irrelevant to me because I'm going to be using this on my 2008 Mac Pro as a secondary backup hard drive. I have one Seagate hard drive on there already, 2 terabytes for Time Machine, and this would be a 2 terabyte hard drive that I'm going to be using to store all my additional videos and graphic design work on here that I can access whenever I need to. Instead of putting it on my other hard drives I have already installed in the Mac Pro, so I can just have this as a additional storage device, just in case kind of thing. Always better to be safe than sorry and have multiple backups, because you never know what a hard drive could ultimately fail on you. Wow, that's stuck in there. There we go. That's really secure. Wow. Let me pull this out. There we go. Nothing else is in the box. Box will go bye-bye. This is some Adobe Creative Cloud playing Lightroom and Photoshop. I only have that, so I don't need this. That could go bye-bye. This is a little probably manual, I would assume. Yep. Here it is. Little manual. Right there. The SS stands for super speed. So it does both USB 2.0 and USB 3.0. But I don't have USB 3.0 on my Mac, so I'm going to be using USB 2.0 on this hard drive. Unless I get myself a USB PCI expansion card that has USB 3.0 slots on there, I can just install it in Mac Pro. Or if I use one of my USB 3.0 hubs that I have lying around at my disposal, I could use that as well, if I so choose to go down that route, which I might. But I'm gonna just be using this as a backup drive anyway, so I won't be probably leaving this in the Mac Pro anyways. I'm gonna be using it as a backup drive, so I probably won't be leaving it in the Mac Pro as I do with the other drive, but I don't know. I got this on Amazon for about $70, maybe, or $80. I can't remember. Let's see here. Okay, this comes with USB 3.0. So yeah, I can't use this in my Mac Pro. So I'm gonna have to get the USB extension hub that I have, so I can use this in the Mac Pro. I'll show you what I mean. Let me be right back. Let's go grab it. Okay, I'm back. This is a USB 3.0 hub right here. The blue indicators single USB 3.0 right there. See there? They're blue. That's USB 3.0. This is what I'm gonna have to use to get this hard drive working in the Mac Pro, unless I have a USB 2.0 cable I could just use instead. I think I do. Let's see. Oh, hello. I have this hard drive. Damn, I have a lot of these floating around. This is a 1 terabyte Western Digital hard drive. I could use this on the Mac Pro and not use this, but this has a terabyte more storage than this has. But I don't use more than probably a terabyte of storage anyways with my files, but the videos are going to take up a lot of storage. So I think what I'm gonna do is put some on these and then transfer it over to this. Or I could take the USB, oh shit, that's USB 3.0 too. That won't work. That's USB 3.0 too. Shit. Damn. Well, forget that idea. I'll just use the hub then. Oh well. forget. I thought that it was 2.0. See, I told you I'm tired, guys. I have so much stuff, so many hard drives, so much technology that I sometimes forget what I have because I just have so much. So, oh well, that won't work. I just use the hub then. Forget what I said. Sometimes I don't know what I say. Okay, so this is a hard drive right here. Nice shiny hard drive. And that's the connector right there to plug it in. Right there. Take this and just plug this in to there, and then plug this end into the Mac Pro, and then you should be good to go. There's nothing else on the hard drive. That's all there is to it. Well, so I hope everyone enjoys that quick unboxing of this 2TB Seagate hard drive. And don't forget to, as always, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment to the one, the only, the Power 99 FM. And real quick, I'm gonna be doing a unboxing of this Apple Magic Trackpad 2. Now, I only have one on my 2008 Mac Pro, but I'm gonna have another one on my other 2008 Mac Pro. So stay tuned for this unboxing. This is gonna be really good. I don't think I did the unboxing of a Magic Trackpad 2. I don't think I did. If I did, then I'll link the video in the description down below if I did or not. But stay tuned for that unboxing, guys. It's coming up really soon.
Say subscribe wait coming to the colon.fm.
Wow, she messed up on the Power 99 FM. She messed up on everything. You messed up on everything. Damn, that was a fail, Alexa. That was a fail. You messed up on everything. Wow, that was a fail. You failed. Oh my God, he could be dead, huh? Oh man, that was fucking.